Hey, what's up? Daniel here, back with another keyboard review. Right on time for the holidays. I know that a lot of you guys are going to be holiday shopping for some cool tech gifts or even mechanical keyboards specifically. And while there have been like a lot of keyboards that have been released this year, you might be in a situation where whatever keyboard you're looking for might be out of stock, or you're just unsure what's a good starter keyboard. What we're going to be taking a look at is something that I think is a really solid alternative to any 60% keyboard on the market. This is the Kemove Snowfox 61. Let's take a look. So right out of the box, what you'll be getting is the keyboard itself with some foam padding, a clear plastic cover that you can use for traveling. You also get the instruction manual, a braided USB Type A to USB-C cable, a keycap puller, as well as the key switch puller. You'll also get a green, yellow, and white Gateron switch for you to kind of try out. Looking at the keyboard, it's pretty much a plastic build with a black border. There's two switches on the front. One is for power, and the other one is for Windows or Mac layouts. The bottom has some Kemove branding, as well as rubber feet that you can raise up to 8 degrees. The keycaps are PPT double shot shine through plastic that feels solid and durable. The board also supports hot-swappable switches, meaning you can customize the board with any other custom switch you like to fit whatever typing experience you want. I'm using Kailh box Jades because I love the clickiness. I'll do a sound test of the Gateron Browns and the Kailh box Jade so you can have an idea of what both of them would sound like with this board. Another really cool feature that I like about this keyboard is that it can actually go wireless via Bluetooth, and it can connect up to 3 devices. For me, this is a really useful feature because I can connect to my work MacBook and easily switch to my personal laptop pretty seamlessly by just changing the Bluetooth profile. The battery size is 3000 milliamp, and I've been getting about 3 days with no lighting on and 2 days with maximum brightness. Speaking of the RGB lighting, there's some onboard profiles that I can kind of go over quickly. So reading off the manual, we have streaming light, which is your standard rainbow effect, breath, which just cycles through different colors, spectrum, another rainbow effect, stars, kind of looks like stars, one of my favorites, encounter, I don't know how to describe this. Light rain, which looks like a rainy effect. You have pulse that reacts to your keystrokes. Vertical and horizontal kind of do the same thing. Flying trace also kind of reacts as well. Ripple, blooming, nerd mode, and pure color, which I think is just static colors. As far as software goes, unless you really need custom lighting profiles or that extra layer of customization, I wouldn't worry too much about downloading the software. I've used this keyboard for about 3 months and I haven't ran into any problems. My advice is probably just don't download it and just use it as is, and I think you'll be fine. So overall, I think there's a lot of good things going on for this keyboard, especially at a price of like $89. It's a really affordable price, but at the same time, again, has a lot of features that even some high-end brands don't even have. Originally, I bought this board with the intent to test out switches, since I'm also kind of new to mechanical keyboards. But after using it more and more, it's pretty much now the keyboard that I use for work and also gaming. It has a solid build quality, it's easily customizable, and capable of connecting Bluetooth up to 3 devices. And honestly, that's a lot of features for the price. The only gripe that I have, which I think is kind of petty, is that I wish it was a white border rather than a black border, just so that it can match the build a little bit better. But for that price, it's really hard to complain about anything. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like these kind of content, be sure to like, follow, subscribe, the usual, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.